In today's video, we'll see how to grow ladyfingers at home right from sowing seeds till harvesting. So stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. These are the ladyfinger seeds. You can soak the seeds overnight to speed up the germination process. Choose the sunniest spot in garden to grow them. Sow them maintaining some distance. You can easily grow them in pots also. Just choose bigger size pots and keep your pot in full sun. Also don't grow so many in one pot, not more than 3 to 4 plants in a pot. And within a week your seeds will germinate. You'll see small plants popping out of the soil. And keep watering your plants well. Make sure you maintain the moisture in soil always. If you'll maintain its basic requirements like full sunlight and regular watering, the plant will grow well and you will find your plant healthy and it will produce flowers and fruits on time. However, if you see any pest attack on plant, use neem oil and soapy water solution and spray it thoroughly. And within a month and a half, you will see few flower buds and it will start producing fruits also. These flower buds will turn into beautiful yellow color flowers. Also at this growing stage, you should add some compost to it like cow dung manure or vermicompost. It's a summer vegetable and you can start growing them anytime from February onwards. They bloom into beautiful bright yellow color flowers and within 2 months, it starts producing fruits also. That is, from sowing seeds till harvesting, it takes around 2 months. Now once you see mature ladyfingers, you can start harvesting them. Use scissors for harvesting and harvest them when they are little soft and firm. Don't wait till it gets really hard and woody. Here comes the interesting thing about ladyfingers is once you'll harvest it from the same spot, another fruit will grow. So keep harvesting as and when the fruit gets mature. Don't wait too long that it gets hard and woody and gets waste. So here comes my first harvest of ladyfingers. Grow your own ladyfingers and enjoy fresh vegetables from your garden. See you.